set up 9 night pass and everything was to make a step on them ends figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People ask.
Welcome back, guys. Creamboy back again with another reaction video. You see me? Something today we have something brand new just come out. You see me? So this is the Little Mix Bounce Back. You see me? I get some requests for this before this song even come out. I get requests for this. You see me? And the people love Little Mix. Me love Little Mix. You see me? So I'll see what a tune I do. You're gonna tune this and just jump straight into it. You see me? So like, share, comment, and subscribe. Click that notification bell. Remember, guys, click the notification bell. You see me? So when I post, you can get the video. And yeah, enough big up on yourself. And thanks for coming back to the channel. You see me? Enough respect. So begin now. Alright, Barbie. The Nutcracker. Oh, so they were like Dolly then, so something like Barbie. Some of these like Barbie then.
Steady, are you ready? Are you ready?
Steady, are you ready?
Hey, what's going on? What's going on?
What's going on?
Steady, are you ready? Are you ready? What's going on? What's going on? However do you want me? However do you need me? However do you want me? However do you need me? Tell me what you know about me. Welcome to the city where it's sweet. You know I'll be taking part of these. That's why I can fit up in this jeans.
Hey yo, they were give me like a little Nicki Minaj flow, like not really the song, I mean like the music video. They would have did them head, like you know Nicki Minaj I do her thing. You see me? But we like the concept already. The concept look like a dollhouse. You see me? Cause them they look like Dolly. The Ken there on the back. But that man they actually look like Ken for you.
We make you wanna cool back. Hear them saying, baby, bring the bounce back. You gon' make me have to bring the bounce back. Hey, now say who gon' send my way? Come right, alright, baby. Say who gon' send my way? However do you want me? However do you need me? However do you want me?
Wow, the girl in the leopard suit. I like how them are change them outfit, like them. This okay, look at the leopard suit. They have the colorful 70s, 80s beat. But something like when video look. I like when video colorful, pretty, and them actually change them outfit. You see me? I don't know why. I just like feet away there. You see me? Oh, it's working. How did that work all like? Oh! Yeah, keep her wetter than a bayou.
Oh wow.
Make sure say the rain a fall, you see me, you keep her. Oh. Back, with the brown back. Hey, what are the robots? Put that bomb back. Alright guys, to the end of Bounce Fat from Little Mix, you see me? As me I say, I like that concept here, you see me? They make it kind of unique, like them on the doll, in the dollhouse. Although I think them see music video like that before, but them bring a new concept to it, you see me? Like say them bring them have a different room and a different outfit and everything like that, you see me? But really enjoy that song still, you see me? Simple, like a nice girl tune or whatever. Even man can bounce it and whatever, you see me? But yeah guys, so another reaction video. Enough love, enough respect. Peace out.